Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week I've been working on some visual effects for the magic rod attacks, so let's take a look at what I've been doing. I've been primarily working on the charging effect for the magic rod this week, and what this involves is a ring working its way inward, much like you see in a lot of other games, as well as some particles converging on that central point. And then when it's fully charged, there's a burst outward of those particles, another ring, and a flash of light. For this effect, I've also exposed a lot of the parameters that go into it, such as how long it takes for it to charge up, the colours that are used for the particles in the light burst, and how many particles there actually are as well. So what this means is that when I have other rods in the game, which perhaps have longer or shorter charging times, are definitely differently coloured than the first rod, and perhaps are more powerful, so will have more particles to signify this increase in power. I can change all of these variables and it will result in a different look to this effect compared to the base version. Here I've got a side-by-side comparison of the two, with the basic version on the left for the red rod and an altered version on this blue rod on the right. And as you can see, we've got different colours in there, it's a different charge time as well, so you can see how easy it is for me to change those variables and have something that is similar in effect but has a different look to it as well. With the final burst that comes off of the rod when you finish charging, I think I'll probably have something similar to that when you then go and attack with the rod above your head. At least there, that will give me a good starting point to work off of to create a cool effect for there. As well as that effect, I've also been playing around with the magic orb that I used for the Willow Witch's attacks and trying to create something different with that I can repurpose for a generic magic attack. So this is what I've got currently, and I think it looks kind of cool with these sort of wiggly electrical fire style particles going into the middle. Again, I can change the colours on these, no problem. I can expose that as well, so I can have that be determined by the rod itself and be based on the kind of magic that you're using as well. As I say, this is just generic at the moment. I won't necessarily use it, but I think I probably will, just as a placeholder for now. What do you think about this week's video? I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.